Okay, so this question here wants me to simplify the following by collecting like terms. Okay, so let's look at B. Okay, so with B, I have 5A plus 2A plus B plus 8B. Okay, so in terms of this, let's have a quick look here. That what I want to do is identify all the terms involving A first, and I'm going to put boxes around them, including the numbers including the signs in front of it. Okay, so that's anything involving A. Okay, and so what I can do then is I can then go, well, I have 5 lots of apples plus 2 lots of apples. Okay, is one way. 5 apples plus 2 apples will give me 7 apples. Okay, if I want to think of it that way. Right. I can then also look at anything involving B, and I also grab the signs in front of them as well. Right, and I can think of that I simply have 1 basket and add 8 baskets to it to get 9 baskets. Okay, if I think of it that way, right? And so that's my first step. So let's look here at, now let's look at E. Okay, and so with E, okay, we have 7 plus 2B plus 5B. Okay, so again, we look for like terms. Okay, so first of all, like terms with the 7 are anything that's constant like the 7 without a letter in it. There's nothing else along here without a letter in it. Okay, so basically, I just, in terms of simplifying that, I just have my 7 there. Now I look for any terms involving B, and I go and I make sure that I look for anything involving B and I get the sign in front of it as well. Okay, so what I've got here in this instance is 2 baskets plus 5 baskets give me 7 baskets. Okay, and so that's how I can think of that as well, right? Or 2 lots of B plus 5 lots of B gives me 7 lots of B. So let's have a look at I. Okay, so I is 3x plus 7x plus 3y take 4x plus y. Okay, so what I again do here is I then think about, okay, so what I'm going to do is I need to have a quick look at looking for like terms. Okay, so in terms of my like terms, I have, let's look at all my x's. So I've got 3x plus 7x and I take 4x. So if I look at it this way, right, I can then think of it as, with all my x's, I have 3 x's plus 7 x's gives me 10 x's. Take 4 x's will give me 6 x's. Okay. I can then look at my y's, and so I have a look at plus 3y and plus y, any term involving just y. Okay, and so in this instance, I then have a look at, I have 3y plus another y gives me 4y. Okay, so you can even think of it as 3 yaks plus 1 yak give me 4 yaks. Yeah, if you want to think of it in terms of letters, think of it as terms of things. Okay.